how I landed my first coding job without a degree, and what I did differently when I first started learning to code. It took me nearly a year to land my first job in tech. I didn't go through any formal degree programs or expensive boot camps. But looking back, I made several mistakes that delayed my progress and made the journey harder than it had to be. I spent money on courses that confused me more than they taught me. I binged countless YouTube tutorials, memorized programming concepts, and felt like I was learning, yet I wasn't truly growing. When it came time to write my own code, I felt lost. If I had the chance to do it all over again, I would take a different, more efficient path. That's what I want to share with you, a faster, simpler way to learn coding and become job ready. Step 1. Choose the right language and stick with it before you dive too deep. Decide on one programming language to focus on. It's important to pick something versatile, ideally a language used in both front-end and back-end development, and one that has applications beyond just websites. Two excellent beginner-friendly options are JavaScript and Python. They are widely used in areas like web development, machine learning, automation, back-end services, and even platform-specific development like Salesforce or ServiceNow. Start with one of these and stick with it. Jumping between languages too early can waste time and leave you confused. I personally started with Python, then switched to JavaScript, dabbled in jQuery, moved to Ruby on Rails, then PHP. I was all over the place and it slowed me down. Consistency is key. Step 2. Learn by doing, not just watching. Many beginners fall into the trap of watching endless coding tutorials. I was one of them. But watching someone else code isn't the same as doing it yourself. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp and the Odin Project are great for hands-on learning. They guide you through foundational concepts and gradually build up your knowledge in a structured way. As tempting as it is to rush through these lessons, take your time. Progress isn't about hitting 100%, it's about mastering the basics that will support more advanced skills down the line. Step 3. Start building projects, the right way. Once you've got a grip on the basics, it's time to move from exercises to actual projects. This is where real learning happens. In the beginning, don't build completely from scratch, follow guided projects so you can learn how a complete program is put together. If you're using JavaScript, try building with vanilla JavaScript first, no libraries, no frameworks. This will help you understand the core concepts before moving to tools that simplify things for you. FreeCodeCamp's YouTube channel offers plenty of beginner project tutorials in both JavaScript and Python. Follow along, set up your coding environment, and get familiar with tools like text editors or IDEs. Personally, I've always used Sublime Text, but choose whatever works best for you. Step 4. Build a portfolio and apply smartly. After you've completed several projects, enhance them, add new features or integrate different APIs. Then, publish your work on GitHub and create a personal website to showcase your skills. When I applied for my first job, I used Bootstrap to build a simple website and uploaded my projects there. Interviewers were genuinely impressed. When applying for jobs, focus on listings that require 0 to 2 years of experience. Aim for positions that match your current level so you don't burn out from constant rejections. Make sure your resume is clean and ATS-friendly, applicant tracking system. Many resumes get ignored simply because they have too much design or formatting. Use simple, keyword-rich content that matches the job description. If you want help, consider using proven resume and cover letter templates. Avoid easy apply buttons on job sites like LinkedIn or Glassdoor. Instead, find the company's actual career page and apply directly. It's more effective and gives you a better chance of standing out. Final advice: don't underestimate soft skills. Getting technical interviews is great, but that's only part of the process. Your soft skills, how you communicate, your attitude, your ability to collaborate, play a big role. Show your personality. Smile. Be engaged. Recruiters want to see someone they can imagine working with, not just someone who can code. High energy and positivity will help you stand out just as much as your GitHub portfolio. And remember, if you don't land a job right away, don't give up. Learn from every interview. Take notes on questions you struggled with. Improve your skills. Over time, patterns will emerge, and you'll know exactly what to expect. As long as you keep pushing forward, your moment will come.